project cases. This project is our 5-ton per day semi-continuous refinery plant in Indonesia. This is a full continuous refinery plant in Zambia, and here is also a semi-continuous refinery plant in Congo. And here this is a very small batch type oil refinery plant in Thailand. This is it seems like it is 10-ton per day batch type refinery plant in Nigeria, and this is a 20-ton per day olive oil refinery plant in Peru, and here is another project in Nigeria. And the last one, this is a 100-ton per day full continuous palm oil refinery plant in Kenya. And here we have to give you more information about our company, because today I already show you too many things about our oil refinery machine. So that means you will already know something about our equipment. But now I also want to show you more information about our company. Our company name is Henan Glory Oil Sand Fight Engineering Company, which is one of the subsidiaries companies of doing holding companies. And we have our engineering department, so we can have the R&D R&D ability to design and research and development our equipment, and also have our factory, so we can do making the machine for you by ourselves to control the cost. So that means our price for all of our machines is very competitive if have the same quality level with other competitors. So besides the refinery plant, we also have the oil sales, pre-treatment, pricing plant, solvent extraction, and just like some dewaxing, fractionation, winterization, some different can equipment. So if you really want to know more about the oil sales precise machine, whatever from the oil sales to the deep processing, or what is your raw material, maybe the peanut, sunflower seeds, soybeans, palm oil, olive oil, some are different things, you can contact us. And here is just to show you our certificate of our equipment, because we are manufacturer and trader of the machines. So besides the domestic business scope, we also sold too many machines to different countries. So our machine quality need to meet the international agency's requirement. So we apply this kind of certificate to make sure that our machine can meet your need completely. So maybe now I already introduced too many things about our machines, but maybe still have some customers that do not. Oh, what is your machine looks like? How the plant to working? So now I will to show you a short 3D video about the batch type refinery plant, how it's working. Then I hope this can give you more imagination about this kind of equipment. Yes, you can see. This is a workshop overview of the refinery plant workshop. Here, out the workshop, that this is the cold water tower and the filter jet vacuum pump. Yeah, just like this show you. This is the refinery tanks, colorization. Yeah, the refinery tanks, the colorization tank, the oxidation tank, steam generator, the filter, oil heating conduction oil heating system. First, you need to use the oil pump to transfer the conduction oil go to the high level tank. And during this term, maybe somebody will ask, why still need another tank in here? Because actually when you buy the conduction oil from the supplier, in the oil it will still have some iron in the conduction oil. So when we
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to CF Live Show. And today we are talking about the oil refinery plant. Now we are show you a 3D video of the Bechdap refinery plant. Give you brief introduction about it. Yeah, so when we use this kind of high level tank to storage the oil and use different pump and to transfer it, maybe during this processing, the iron in the oil will be already out. And then that can make sure that when we use the heating system, when we heating the conduction oil, the operation will be more safe. During this process, the iron will be out of the conduction oil. So you can see from here, you can see the conduction oil will be to dispatch to different oil tanks, and then by the heating coil, and then to make sure that the conduction oil can heating the edible oil to supply high temperature of it. And when it's heating the oil, when the conduction oil heating the edible oil, maybe the temperature of the conduction oil will be decreased. So then it's gonna need to go back to the conduction oil storage tank to heat it again. So that is what I said before. The conduction oil can be recycled used. Yeah, so from this picture you can say that that is the conduction oil recycling line. Yeah, because for the conduction oil, for the conduction oil, the temperature can reach to 300 degrees. So that is why we use the conduction oil to heating the edible oil. So from this is the crude oil. It will be transported by the coil, and then dispatched to the tube. You can see from here, this is the oil heating, the conduction oil coil. And then the yellow color is oil. This is the edible oil. For the degumming and the acidification, we need to add hot water and alkalic liquid to the edible oil, and because then the impurities will reaction with the hot water and react with the alkalic, and then the soap will be out. The soap will be produced. The temperature will be reached around higher than 80 degrees. Yeah, for this step they will release the soap. The soap can be produced, can be used for industrial use. And then the two steps already finished of the refinery plant. So next step is the decolorization. This is a decolorizing tank. For this part, maybe we can say here for this tank and this tank, its structure is not very same. You can say from the top side. Yes, so for the decolorization and the deodorization, it should be in vacuum dryer, in vacuum environment, because if in vacuum environment, the high temperature will be worked more perfectly. And also during the decolorization and the deodorization, the high temperature will require the vacuum environment. So for the decolorization, we need to add the wet clay into the oil and make the wet clay can react with the dark color in the oil, and then to extract the oil out. Before we add the wet clay, we need to increase the oil's temperature to 100 degrees, and to make the air in the oil is already cleaned out. And then you can say this is the wet clay. After it will activate the wet clay, the oil will be transported to the leaf filter. The leaf filter that is used to remove the used wet clay. Yeah, to remove the used we call it the west clay. Yeah, the white and west clay. Yes, this is used wet clay. So different values have different functions. So for this part, we need some workers to operate it. And for the filter precise, it will need maybe 2 or 3 times so that the oil all wet clay already removed together. This leaf filter is very popular in many oil factory because it's very automatic and high efficiency. So because it can remove the impurities by itself, so do not need too much workers to operate it. So that is why it's automatic and high effective. This part will use to show you how it to clean it by itself. Yeah, on here you can see it. This is the steam generator to supply high temperature steam to dryer the plate. Some oil will be out again, and this is the back filter removed into the meat. And when it's finished, then this is the vibrating pump will shake the tanks, and then the waste clean out. And this is the cold water system, cold water tower that is used to working with the giant vacuum pump to supply the vacuum environment during the colorization and the deodorization tank. So after the colorization and the filter, the clean oil will be go to the deodorization tank. You can see from here the oil is dispatched by a pump all the time. That is used in order to make sure that the oil can be reaction with the high temperature vacuum environment completely, and then the bad smell will be disappeared. So for this tank, the temperature will reach to 260 degrees. After the deodorization, because for now the oil temperature is very high, so before transfer the oil go to the storage tank, we need to cooling the oil firstly. So that is why we need to have the cold water tower. So this is the brief introduction about our oil refinery machine. So if you want to know more information about our oil refinery plant, you can contact us and leave your contact information to us, and then our sales manager will contact you and give you different machine equipment information, and then you can choose or discuss or consult with our manager, with our sales manager, and then you can choose the best suitable machine to you. Yes, so I know that maybe most of you is the first time to do the business, so I think professional recommendation, the suitable advice or suggestion can help you to start it as soon as possible. Yeah. So just like what I showed you before, this is our brief introduction about the oil refinery machine catalog. So this you can also find it in our website. So for our companies, we have different kind of machines, different oil seeds precise machine, just like the soybean oil, peanut oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and other different things. Also, so besides the refinery plant, we also have the cleaning machine, or the oil seed cleaning machine. We call it pre-treatment, and also have press machine, solvent extraction machine, refinery machine, and different things. So besides the equipment, if you order the machine from us, besides the equipment and the proposal, we also can supply you the professional drawing of the equipment layout, the workshop size, the workshop designing drawings. So because we have our professional engineering department, so that can make sure that we can supply almost everything besides the workshop construction working. Yeah, your side, the customers need to build the workshop by themselves, but we can give you some requirements or advertisement or a suggestion about it. Yeah, so today I think I already give you something about the oil refinery machine. So if you want to know more information about it, please leave your messages or leave your contact information to us, and then our sales manager will contact you. Okay, I'm very happy to talk with you today. So today our live show is already finished. See you next time. See you.